Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and today we're going to talk about problems with kangaroo paws. Now, I occasionally get people calling me or emailing me, asking me for help with their kangaroo paws. So I'm going to talk about the 3 most common problems with kangaroo paws. This is a public garden over at Kaiser Hospital in San Diego. It was planted about a year ago. They have a nice section of kangaroo paws, but some of it's struggling, and let's talk about why. So this guy, you would think, would be doing just great. It's really close to the irrigation head. The problem is it's too close to the irrigation head. These hunter rotors shoot water out about 20 to 30 feet, and it's just shooting right over the kangaroo paw. So it's not getting as much water as, say, these kangaroo paws, which are located about 15 feet out from the rotor. Notice that they have a nice little ball of growth. This is late October, and they're starting to die back, but they still should have some growth to it. So having an even irrigation distribution system is important for a healthy kangaroo paw. The next problem with kangaroo paws that's very common is root crown rot. Notice that these have almost completely died. They are buried in mulch. It's important when you do kangaroo paws that you plant them nice and high so that the root crowns aren't buried in mulch, because that will definitely kill a kangaroo paw. So make sure with kangaroo paws you plant them high, about 2 to 3 inches above the final grade of the soil, so that that mulch won't bury it. Otherwise you'll have this. So here's a kangaroo paw that was planted properly. Notice you can see the root crown. It's above the grade. It's about 10 feet from the irrigation system, but it's still struggling. Why? The most common reason in San Diego is here in late October, it's been 6 months since we've had any rainfall, and our irrigation water tends to be high in salt. So what that means is the pH level is going up and up and up. The roots in the system, in the ground, can't quite absorb the nutrients, and the plant is slowly starving to death. Now, once we get some good rainfall, that'll flush the salts away, and it'll be helpful. But the other thing you can do if you have a kangaroo paw that looks like this is add some Grow Power Plus. That'll help lower the pH, that'll help the root system, and that'll help get the nutrients flowing again. So the problem we have here is a malnourished kangaroo paw. So again, those are the 3 things you can do to help have healthier kangaroo paws. Even irrigation system, plant it high, and keep them healthy with some Grow Power and some nice organic food. So those are my tips for having healthy kangaroo paws. Again, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more of my garden videos. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, signing off. Till next time, thanks.